Hey Tube, welcome back. What do you mean by high availability? High availability refers to a system design approach and associated service implementation that ensures a certain level of operational performance, typically uptime, for a higher than a normal period. High availability systems are designed to be resilient to failures and minimize downtime, ensuring that they remain operational and accessible almost all the time. This is especially critical for services and applications that require constant availability, such as online services, financial systems, and critical infrastructure. Let's talk about some key concepts of high availability. The first thing that we will talk about, which will be redundancy. Let's just give it numbers. High availability systems use redundant components and systems that can take over in case of failure. This can include duplicate servers, storage, and network paths. Number two, failover mechanisms. Automatic failover mechanisms are in place switch operations to a standby systems or component when a failure is detected in the primary system. Number three, load balancing. Load balancers distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server becomes a bottleneck or point of failure. Number four, clustering. Clusters of servers work together to provide continuous service. If one service is in, if one server in the cluster fails, the others can take over its task seamlessly. Number four, geographic distribution. Distributing resources across multiple geographic locations can protect against regional failures, such as natural disaster or power outages. Okay, so right now let's talk about some strategies for achieving high availability. Number one, we will talk about the redundant infrastructure. So, using multiple redundant servers, power suppliers, and network connections to avoid single point of failure. Number two, automated monitoring and alerts. Continuous monitoring of system health with automated alerts and responses to potential issues before they cause downtime. Number three, regular maintenance and updates. Scheduled maintenance and updates to ensure all systems are up to date and operating optimally without disrupting service. Number four, disaster recovery planning. Having a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that includes data backups, secondary data centers, and producers to recover from major failures. And number five, we have database replication. Replicating databases across multiple servers to ensure data availability even if one server fails. Right now, we want to talk about the measuring high availability, how to measure it. So we have the uptime sorry, not percentages. So uptime is often measured as a percentage of total time a system is operation. So for example, we have 99% uptime. This one is that means our system will be down for 3.65 days of downtime. So it will be 3.5 days. We have three nines uptime as well. And three nines basically means our system will be down for 8 hours and a half, or nearly 8 hour and a half. So we have 4 hour, four nines uptime. This one means that our system will be down for 52 minutes. And we have five nines uptime as well. That means our system will be down for 5 minutes. We want to also talk about the service level agreement. So this one in server level agreements define the expected level of service and uptime. High availability, basically, high availability system often have a stringed service level agreement to meet. Number three, benefits of high availability. I need to talk. Not number three. It's a new subject. Sorry, I'm hanged over from yesterday, so maybe you find me not functioning well today. So sorry. Number one, we have increased reliability, the benefit of availability. So we ensure that systems are reliable and available when needed, reducing the risk of downtime. Number two, enhanced user experience. So provide a seamless experience for users who can access the service without interruption. Number three, business continuity. So supports continuous business operations, avoiding costly distributions and potential revenue loss. Number four, competitive advantage. So organizations with high availability system can offer more dependable services, attracting and retaining customers. So, in summary, high availability is a critical aspect of systems design that ensures continuous operations and minimal downtime for essential services. By implementing redundancy, failover mechanisms, load balancing, and other strategies, high availability systems maintain reliability and provide a robust infrastructure that can withstand failures and disruption. So that's it for this video, and see you in the